It's time to change. Have you ever thought that your purpose might be different in life? Probably you have been struggling for a while and you have been feeling frustrated during your life multiple times because of your job or personal family situation. Well, transitioning career is not something easy in your life. It's something that can take time and it can be tough pathway to get on board on. But it might be the right thing for you. So act now. When you transition from one industry to another, you can transfer your skills. What does it mean? Probably you are a very good communicator or you have managed very important presentation in your current industry that you can transfer to your new industry. For example, my story. So I was a very successful director and marketing manager, sales manager, where basically pitches were part of my daily life. I had to present the product, the service, I had to sell them the idea. And I had to manage objections. When I transitioned to my academic and teaching profession, I had to really have very strong communication skills in a language that wasn't even like my first language, honestly. So I had the very good lucky thing that I could transfer my presentation skills that I developed during my career as a manager and director, my sales and marketing experience industry, into the new teaching experience. And I made of this skill a transferable skills that paid off, and really it was a starting point for me to build my professional identity in that new industry. In transferring to another industry, another thing could be that you increase your earning potential. Not only when you transfer completely to another industry, but also when you are transitioning, you are probably doing two jobs at the same time. The double career can be a potential to earn double of what you're earning today. And it can really also help you to manage your time management, organizational skills, because you are entering a new industry, but you are managing your current job. This is what I also mentioned in another video about the plan B, the career B in your life. When you transition career and industry, it could be also like an amazing opportunity for you to raise the bar for your income, so you can earn more, because within your growth pathway there is also included that you are earning new skills, new certificates, new qualification that can really set you as a perfect candidate to get a higher income per year. Personal fulfillment. You bring over your values, your passions and your beliefs with a greater fulfillment and satisfaction, because new challenges can definitely reach your personal growth better. So the second phase in changing, transitioning from career A or from industry A to industry B is, for example, understanding what are the skills that I can transfer to the new job. For example, you're working as a sales director or manager in marketing and sales, and you assess what are my strengths, what are my skills here, what I'm very strong at, and what in my new industry, in my new job, potential job, career B, industry B, could be something that I need in that position. So what could be the set of skills, like top 3 skills, for example, that I would need in that job that I can transfer from the industry A. In order to practice your transition in a very successful way is to assess the industry, the new industry you are going through. So what are the requirements there? What are the qualifications that you would need? Open seek, search for the responsibility, duties, but also the qualification that most likely they need in order to hire you for that position. Write that on the piece of paper in writing, what do you need? And then you do a check and you say, I have a master, I have a bachelor, but I don't have a master. I have a master, but I don't have capability in these 3 programs that I should learn to use. And you can search in internet, you can start doing your research and understanding what short courses or online certificate or a tutorial I can do in order to master those skills that I need in the second industry. Don't be lazy here. Try to really boost your motivation and passion for this transition, and make sure that you do your best in this time of transition in order to reach their full potential in order to be a very good candidate. After you fill the gaps, so you try to understand those certificates or those qualifications and skills that you need to achieve, try to build a very strong network in your new industry. Present yourself, build a very good elevator pitch that can really push yourself through that area, through that industry, and can make you appear as an expert from day one. So you can try to go to LinkedIn and connect with people in that industry. You can try to, for example, attend events, conferences, night, evening events in your city that are in that industry. And you propose, you give your number, you give your email, you try to connect through LinkedIn, and you try to establish very good relationship from day one. Last and very successful steps that you need to undertake is tailor your resume and your personal brand. What does it mean? It means that your resume today is the right resume for your industry A, for the career that you are in today. Doesn't mean that it's good for your industry B, for the career you are transitioning to. So please try to get some help from mentors, from recruiters on the market. Try to understand what is the best format and the best fit for the new resume. And where you highlight skills, qualifications, and type of aspect in your current job that could be super helpful and super successful in the new job position. And another thing, very important, build your personal brand. I shared with you another video a few weeks ago about how to build your personal brand. Feel free to go there and check and start small. So start sending resumes, start applying for jobs, start creating very fulfilling relationship in that career B. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and like the video if you like the content and you want to hear more on this topic. Also, feel free to leave any question in the comment section. Subscribe to the channels if you want to hear more. Bye, I'll see you next.